According to the University Corporation for Atmospheric Research, the layer of the atmosphere, known as the thermosphere, gets up to 3,632 degrees and higher. And according to the United States Geological Survey, molten lava right out of a Hawaiian volcano is 2,140 degrees. That means the thermosphere can get 1,492 degrees hotter than an erupting volcano. This is the same layer of the atmosphere that satellites and the International Space Station are said to be floating around in. According to the Smithsonian Institute, satellites are made of lightweight titanium and aluminum. But titanium has a melting point of 3,034 degrees, and aluminum has a melting point at 1,221 degrees. How could they function if they are flying blobs of molten metal? Here's a direct quote from NASA. "Thermo means heat, and the temperature in this layer can reach up to 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to hang out in the thermosphere, though, you would be very cold, because there aren't enough gas molecules to transfer the heat to you. So, it can't burn anything because the hot molecules that make up the thermosphere are too far apart from each other. Yet the molecules are close enough together to create aurora that we can clearly see? If the molecules are so far apart from each other, I wonder how they were able to catch them and take their temperature." Okay, so the sun's radiation causes these really sparse molecules to get to 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit and hotter. But the molecules that make up satellites are not really far apart. They are really close together. That is why they are solid objects. And if you take a whole bunch of hot bodies and put them together, doesn't that make them even hotter? With that being the case, satellites should be way hotter than the thermosphere is. Just think of a metal slide in the middle of summer. It gets way hotter than the air around it. If a shiny metal slide can burn someone in the troposphere where we live, the same principle should apply to a satellite in the thermosphere. But the thermosphere should be way hotter because it does not have all the atmosphere to reflect the radiation away from it. To claim people can live in conditions like that makes no sense whatsoever. Forgive me for my disbelief.